Good evening, and thank you for joining us. We're going to begin tonight with new signs and worries that the COVID pandemic is once again tightening its grip. The stock market had its worst day in months on fears that a midsummer surge driven by that highly contagious Delta variant could bring another global economic slowdown. The Dow dropped more than 2%, with airlines, hotels, banks, and oil companies all taking losses. Tonight, the other headline that may surprise parents: the American Academy of Pediatrics is recommending all students wear masks this fall, regardless of whether they've had their shots. And tonight, the stunning reversal from the White House as President Biden walks back his statement that Facebook is, quote, killing people. Today, he said he meant to blame a small number of bad actors on the social media platform, but he is calling on Facebook to do more to stop misinformation. And then there's this: a U.S. gymnast tested positive in Japan, the first of the U.S. athletes to do so in the Olympic Village. And we've got new details about who else may have been exposed just days before the games are set to begin. We'll have a report from Tokyo in just a moment. But first, CBS's David Begnaud leads us off from Arkansas, one of the worst states for new COVID cases. Good evening, David.
Good evening, Nora. Arkansas now leads the nation when it comes to COVID hospitalizations on a per capita basis. At this hospital where we are in Little Rock, I just checked, and the average age of a COVID patient is 40 years old. You know what it was 6 months ago? 60 years old. They were just telling us people are walking in sicker and younger than ever before. Tonight, COVID is surging in Arkansas for the third time.
It's hard to breathe, so I have to have oxygen.
The number of hospitalizations has nearly tripled just in the past month.
I regret it, not getting the COVID vaccination.
I thought I couldn't catch it, so I just went on by my daily life.
Arkansas has the nation's third worst vaccination rate, and now it's overwhelmed by the far more contagious Delta variant, which is showing up in 84% of all new COVID cases.
For most people who get this Delta variant, it's going to be the most serious virus that they get in their lifetime.
Tonight, there is new guidance from the American Academy of Pediatrics recommending that masks be worn in schools, even if adults and students have been vaccinated. That contradicts the CDC that says fully vaccinated students and teachers do not need to wear masks on campus. Also today, the government of the United Kingdom lifted most COVID restrictions, despite cases skyrocketing to levels not seen since the worst of the pandemic. And now the CDC has issued a warning, urging Americans to avoid all non-essential travel to the United Kingdom. Back here in the state of Arkansas, it's a race between the vaccine and the variant.
We've got over 50 people in our hospital right now with complications of COVID-19. We've got 0 people in our hospital right now with complications from the vaccine.
What problem would it cause for you to get the vaccine?
For one, I'm not going to, because I don't trust the technology.
Where do you get your news from?
I get it from alternative news sources.
A CBS News YouGov poll found that among those vaccinated, 74% say they will not get immunized, even if their own doctor recommends the vaccine. Are people just not listening to you?
I think we need to do a better job. Help me to understand who would convince you, and I will find that person and we will talk to you.
As cases surge here in Arkansas starting next week, no government officials can implement any more mask mandates. That's because the state legislature passed a new law. The governor can't do it, and not even local officials. No more mask mandates, even if the doctors say it needs to happen. Nora?
An interesting bit of reporting there. David Begnaud, thank you.